Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Golden Pact token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Golden Pact is the world's first decentralized finance DeFi 3.0 protocol jointly supported by Gold, PAXG and Bitcoin BTC. It is dedicated to building a stable, secure, transparent, and sustainable global finance ecosystem. According to website, Golden Pact is a decentralized finance protocol combining real-world assets with algorithmic stabilization to create a stable, transparent financial ecosystem. Golden Pact token total supply is 1.61 million and circulating supply is also 1.61 million GOT token. GOT token is listed on PancakeSwap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.